Your thoughts?
Be polygamist. You guys, leya show iyafundisa. Ifundisa abantu besifazane, ifundisa nabantu besilisa. Khona into ebeyadenziwa uJonas lapha ya. Ayisobisha abantu besifazane abasebekhulile. Bayinake leyanto ukuthi amadoda nje akazwani argument, akazwani nesicefe. Ayayithanda ipeace. uJonas into abeyenza ebimxosha kakhulu. Noma ningathi nguJoyce. Noma bangenzani, I don't have a problem mina. uJonas into mhlambe abantu besifazane bebefune bayinotice lapha kuyena ukuthi uma nje uzombangela umsindo hayi bandla shame noma ngabe busulungise ini kanjani beve lapho mahambe. Okusho ukuthi amakhaya enu wenzeni abe woma abe right. Noma ngabe uzoba nayo argument noma nizophikisana kodwa ube nendlela ozokhuluma ngayo kahle nomyeni wakho. Futhi umyeni wakho ke usukumazi. Nalento yokwenza esingathi anibaza abayeni, engathi asibaza abayeni bethu sibe sibazi. Ubabekho uyabathanda abantu besifazane. Ngahlangana naye vele bathanda yini ezomshintsha manje ngoba nakho usewashada mina. Yabo into ezikanjalo nje. Kodwa ibhekeni le yokuthi uJonas into ade efuna bekade kuyipeace. Then ebantwini besilisa babheke ukuthi yini eyenze uJonas agcine sefa. uJonas ubengaphila nje, aphile nje kahle isikhathi eside. Kodwa uJonas wasebamba kakhulu unkosikazi wakhe uMamezala, uJay Mamezala yabo. Niyalazi ke igama. La Mamezala wami. Bembamba kakhulu. Noma akafuni ukuthi abahlukane. Akafuni uJonas ukuthi ayeke indlela zakhe kuze bakwazi ukuqhubeka benomamezala. So uyamcindezela ufuna ahlale kuyena noma esebona ukuthi no. So umamezala uJoyce wayeseyakhathala kulokhu phela ndoda ngifuna ukuhamba lana ngifuna ukushiya awufuni uthi sofa silahlane awufuni ukushintsha and phela uJoyce bengakathanda ukufa ke yena so bengeke ke badla afa. Ingakho ke we-end up kuba uJoyce omtrephayo and mind you wamtrepha ngento ayithandayo, meaning into oyithanda over uyigade ingabe yona futhi kubulalayo. Yes.
Hello everyone, Ngiyanuchisana and welcome to my channel. So that was Macele Mseleko reacting to the biggest show on Netflix at the moment, The Polygamist. The supernovela is centered around a wealthy businessman, Jonas Gomora, who has a very insatiable sexual appetite. Look, Jonas Gomora is the type of man that wants his sex by any means necessary. He doesn't care if you have just given birth via C-section and you have stitches. If it means he must drive from Sandton to Soweto just to get it because you can't give it to him, he will do that. Oh, and Jonas Gomora is the type of man that doesn't like using protection even with his insatiable appetite and sleeps with different women. And that is why at some point he ended up infecting 3 women, AC, Matiba and Joyce, with an STD, gonorrhea. He's also very fertile. Walala na prega. He impregnated not 1 but 2 women, AC and Joyce, in the same year. He practically had hood twins, Mpome and Sarah. Oh, and lastly, he enjoys impregnating women, but once they're postpartum, he doesn't vibe with them like that. I mean, he cheated on Joyce with Matiba just after Joyce had given birth to their 3rd child. Then Matiba fell pregnant and gave birth to twins. What happened? He drove to Soweto to see Essie. Now, does this Jonas Gomora character that I've just described sound like all he ever wanted was peace? Well, Umacele Mseleko says all Jonas ever wanted was just peace. She also mentioned that we women like pretending because when she met Mr. Mseleko was a person that loves women, so why would she think she'd be the only one in his life? I get where she's coming from because Musa Mseleko was initially with Mayeni, impregnated her, and then upon hearing that he's a polygamous man, her family was like, no, not with our child. So Macele came into the picture knowing that Musa Mseleko is a polygamous man and agreed to that. So basically Macele was, if she can't do it, I will do it type of girl. If Umayeni doesn't want polygamy, I will accept it. So Macele knew exactly what she was signing up for. She knew Mayeni has a son. But that's not what happened with Joyce. Remember, Jonas lied for many years, making sure that he cemented himself as a businessman through Joyce's father. He started showing Joyce and the kids flames once Joyce's father died and he had established himself as a CEO and had a company listed on JSE. So Joyce didn't find out about Jonas's philandering ways until almost 20 years. Jonas, with his enablers Magesh and AC, pretended for almost 20 years that he was this monogamous family man that brags on Sundays. And that is why it was so shocking to Joyce's children, because it's one thing to know that your father is a Musa Mselegu, he's a father of the nation. But when you think your father is this monogamous family guy that brags on Sunday, then boom, there's a Matiba. When you think there's a Matiba, oh wait, you've got a twin, a hood twin in Soweto. And before you know it, your father is dating your childhood best friend who happens to be your brother's crush. Oh, by the way, even when you've known that your husband is a philanderer or your father is a father of the nation, he's a Jonas or a Musa Mselegu, it still hurts. Anyway, do let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.